Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're talking about a word you'll hear in movies, music, and big first-time events, but many people say it wrong. The word is debut. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is debut. Let's break it down step by step. The first part is day, just like the word daylight. And the second part is bew, which rhymes with few. Now say it with me, debut. One more time, debut. Great job. Now what does debut mean? A debut is a first appearance or performance. If a singer releases their first song, that's their debut. If an actor stars in their first movie, that's their big debut. Here's something cool. Debut comes from the French word début, meaning first appearance or beginning. And just like in French, we don't pronounce the T at the end. A lot of people say Deh-boot or Deh-but, but now you know the right way, debut. Fun fact, the word débutante, used for a young woman making her formal entrance into society, also comes from the same root. Now next time you hear about someone's debut, you can say it like a pro. Thanks for joining me today on Say It Right. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.